I-document mo ang iyong expertise. May mga bagay ba sa negosyo mo na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam? Yung mga special techniques, secret contacts, yung mga tips na ikaw lang ang marunong? Pareho ka ba ni May at ni Ryan? Isa silang couple who run an aircon installation and maintenance business. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin silang nag-ooperate. Mga bandang 3 years na at meron silang maliit na team. Yung staff nila could handle the standard installation. But when it comes to tricky units o kaya yung mga complex setups, si Ryan lang ang nakakaalam sa mga problem-solving methods na nakakatulong sa kanilang trabaho para maging mas mabilis at maging mas reliable. So 1 week si Ryan had to take a few days off for a family emergency. So si May, sinubukan niyang mag-manage, no? Hawakan yung mga ginagawa ni Ryan. And yung mga staff naman, hinandle nila yung mga routine jobs. Pero may dumating na isang complicated commercial installation at walang nakakaalam kung ano yung exact steps para ma-troubleshoot ito ng mas mabuti. Ang resulta, nako, the job was delayed, clients were frustrated. Na-realize ni Ryan na kahit na after many years of training staff for routine work, yung negosyo pala nila ay still nakadepende sa kanya sa mga critical skills. So ang ginawa niya, dinocument niya lahat. He recorded each step of complex installations, he created troubleshooting guides, he listed supplier contacts, and he made checklists for tricky jobs. Nag-train siya ng isa sa kanyang mga staff thoroughly sa mga previously na medyo secret na methods niya, no? Meron siyang nakitang staff na ang galing-galing na mag-handle ng complex jobs. So, siya yung tinuruan niya. After 1 month, yung staff member na yon kaya nang hawakan kahit ng mga pinaka-tricky na installation, mga troubleshooting, kahit na wala ng constant supervision ni Ryan. Ngayon, even when the couple takes a short break, yung negosyo nila keeps running smoothly. Clients are happy and projects are done on time. So anong lesson? Identify one critical skill that only you have. I-document mo at i-train mo at least isang tao na gumawa nun na hindi ikaw. Make your business knowledge part of the system, not just in your head. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.